Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some toy gadgets for kids. Before going to start video, please subscribe our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is floating ball shooting toy. You can buy it online within $25. Second one. This is Magic Drawing Extra Large Mat. You can buy it online within $35. Third one. This is dinosaur toy for kids. You can buy it online within $18. Fourth one. This is an extra large mesh beach bag toy pack. You can buy it online within $15. Fifth one. This is kids piano mat. You can buy it online within $15. Sixth one. This is aim shooting game toy. You can buy it online within $40. Seventh one. This is rotating night light projector. You can buy it online within $33. Eighth one. This is bubble gun. You can buy it online within $20. Ninth one. This is kids outdoor water toy. You can buy it online within $20. So, today we are looking for some toy gadgets for kids. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.